How to update Spotify for iPhone and Android both. This tutorial is valid for both. Before we head to the video, please subscribe to the video because it really helps the channel grow, and every subscription will help us and keep us motivated to post more. So now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. If you have a Play Store, you open the Play Store. If you have an App Store, you open the App Store. You open the app and you search for Spotify. Once you search for Spotify, here the screen will pop out. Once the screen pops out, here you will find an option of update. Currently my app is already updated, but you will get an option of an update. What's new in the new update, it's all given here. So you will get an additional option of updating it. You have to just click on the update option near your, if you have an iPhone, it will come up at the download screen to update more, and if you have an Android, it will come up here to update. So make sure you update it, and this is how you update your Spotify. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.